How to find your wish list on AliExpress app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to find your wish list on AliExpress, what you have to do is just open up your AliExpress application on your device. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device. Now after logging into your account in AliExpress application, all you have to do is just tap on the account section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you tap on account, you can just scroll down, and here you can see the option of a wish list over here beside history section. So just tap on that and you'll be able to find your wish list on AliExpress app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.